my name is Evelyn Jackson, and I'm a student intern at ClioVis. Today I'll be guiding you through ClioVis, which is an innovative teaching platform designed to enhance student learning and teaching experiences. ClioVis was created by University of Texas Professor Dr. Erica Busmick and was intended to allow students to concretely and visually learn class material. Part of what makes ClioVis so helpful in student and teacher success is its user-friendly interface. It's accessible for users of all technological skill levels. It also provides a lot of flexibility for users where projects can range from complex and in-depth analysis or a brief overview of topic or material, which I will now demonstrate. When you first come to the ClioVis page, first you'll have to register. I've already done so I'm just going to log in. And it'll load up my project page. You can have multiple. I already have one here. And when this loads up, it'll show all of my timelines. The one that I'm going to be using is more of a brief overview, like I previously mentioned, just for a demo. When I go here, I can press create and create different events. The first one that I have here, I have the title, and then I have the year. I have a brief description of what's happening in this event. And then I have my reference of where I got this. And this helps for students to properly cite their sources. In addition, you can create different categories. So here I have one category already, which is psychiatric institution reform, and it's color-coded, so anything that has blue is in the same category. I can incorporate different types of media. For instance, I have a video here, so when I click on this, it'll play the video for anyone who has the link, and they will see it. I can also add my description again, but since these two are in the same category, I can also establish connections by just dragging from one to the other, and I can add my connection details here. But when talking about different types of media again, here I can add an image, but I can also add audio and video URLs, and I just copy and paste that from where I got it. ClioVis also expands on students' collaboration and communication skills. Students who are working on a group project and people can be added into the same project can use this chat feature to leave comments on either the entire project or just one timeline. And students can communicate in real time with this. For professors' ease, ClioVis is really easy to incorporate into learning management systems. For instance, one of my classes used ClioVis in our Canvas. So to access it, it was fairly simple. I would just click on the ClioVis tab on my Canvas page. And when it loads up, it'll have all of the projects. I'm going to show you one of my past projects, which is a little bit more in-depth and has many more connections. When we get to it, I can enter here. I have all of my different events. I have them color coordinated based off of my categories. I have eras and lots of connections. It's very easy to present with ClioVis. To do so, I could start my presentation and it'll open whichever event I put first in my event list. And to see that, I can just open my event list. I felt that this was the most important, so it is what goes first. But if I wanted to share my project, I could do so easily by pressing export. And I could either export this as a Word doc, which would have all of my references and everything that I've written just in a Word document. I could also press share timeline. And when I press share timeline, it'll generate a link that I can share with anyone, and anyone who has that link can open my project to directly when I shared that link. But ClioVis offers many different benefits for both students and educators. For students, it enhances their learning through visualization, it promotes collaboration, and improves their research and presentation skills. For professors, it provides flexibility, engaging assignments, and streamlined lecture planning. One example of this is Dr. Rachel Ozan said that ClioVis group projects helped her students analyze and research a historically marginalized group in her classes in greater depth than her lectures alone could. ClioVis is adapted for all class sizes as well, whether it's 500 students or 15 students. ClioVis is a great technology. We at ClioVis invite you to explore this technology and how it can transform your teaching and your students' learning experiences. For more information, feel free to attend our upcoming webinar on June 18th at 1 p.m. I've included a link to sign up below, and thank you for watching this walkthrough. If you have any questions or would like a further explanation, feel free to contact me to schedule a meeting.